Welcome to our step-by-step training video with Genesis Biosystems. Today we'll guide you through each essential step using either the DermaGenesis Infusion or DermaFrac C devices to ensure a safe and effective experience for your clients. When your client arrives, have them fill out your contraindication and consent forms. You'll want to go over this form to ensure that they're a good candidate for the service you're providing today. This is also a great time to discuss their skincare goals, as well as what each serum can do for them. Before beginning the treatment, choose the roller depth that you'll be using for your client and soak it in barbicide or alcohol for 10 minutes. Allow it to completely air dry prior to use. After assessing your client's skin, select the appropriate serum. Use one of the 6 Genesis Biosystems serums or another water-based serum in the customizable cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the handpiece. The words printed on the cartridge align with the opening on the handpiece. Be careful not to push it too far, or it will stop the roller from rotating. To begin the procedure, you'll want to double cleanse the skin with a gentle cleanser of your choice, and remove it with a warm towel. Use witch hazel or alcohol pads to ensure the skin is degreased, dry, and free of impurities. It is important to wear gloves during this entire procedure and to follow all of the safety guidelines. To start the serum flow, place a gloved thumb over the tip opening on the handpiece until the serum begins to bubble. You may need to hold and release a few times for the flow to begin. Hold the handpiece at a 45-degree angle, keeping the skin taut. Generally, you will want to begin on the cheeks, where there is more subcutaneous fat. This allows the client to adjust to the vacuum and roller head before moving to more sensitive areas. Ensure the vacuum level is set appropriately, usually starting at level 3, by watching your client's skin and verbally checking in for their comfort level. You can adjust the vacuum of the device up and down to increase or reduce the amount of suction and serum flow. Each section of the face may require more or less vacuum, so be mindful to adjust it during the duration of the procedure. Perform the procedure slowly by pulling the roller on the skin in short, controllable strokes, and lift the handpiece before you begin the next stroke. Visually map your client's face so you know where to begin and end each section you're working on. Apply to the same area with 2 passes in different directions using minimal pressure. Allow the vacuum to work for you. Utilize a crosshatch method for optimal results. In areas needing more attention, up to 4 passes may be done, avoiding the sensitive areas around the eyes and lips during these passes. We will save the eyes and lips for something we call frac kisses. Gently press up and down over these sensitive areas with the vacuum doing all the work. It's safe to treat the entire face, including the eyes and lips, depending on the serum used. DermaFrac can also be applied to the neck and chest, and even other body parts like hands or back. Once the desired areas are fully covered, you may have leftover serum, and the client may be experiencing erythema. This is all normal for microchanneling. Do not cleanse or wash the application area after the treatment. We want the serum to fully penetrate for the client to get the maximum benefits. To maximize results even further, apply a Call GF facial mask for 10 to 30 minutes. Remove the mask and let the serum fully absorb into the skin. Only growth factors, hyaluronic acid, or cytokines should be applied immediately after, but are not needed. If SPF is necessary, recommend a physical SPF of 30 or higher after a 4-hour waiting period. A gentle moisturizer may also be added. Advise your clients that any redness from the procedure should subside within an hour or 2. Make sure to discuss the post-care instructions thoroughly with your client to ensure the best results. Face makeup should be avoided for the next 24 hours. They may wash their face with a gentle cleanser the following day, and no active ingredients should be used for the next 3 days. Keeping their skin clean and hydrated and reminding them to not touch their skin for the next 4 hours is ideal. Thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out to your local rep or Genesis Biosystems directly if you have any further questions.